Hey there, it's Sean. I want to share something exciting happening in Clermont and Minneola right now. This area, often called Wellness Way, is really booming. New shops and restaurants are popping up, a Sprouts Farmers Market grocery is opening nearby, and a Bonefish Grill restaurant is coming soon. A new AdventHealth hospital is under construction, and improved roads, like the Wellness Way connector, are on the way to make trips to Orlando easier. All this growth means this area is the place to be. And at the heart of it all is Webb Minneola, a brand new 55+ community ready to welcome you. Picture driving up gentle hills to a gated neighborhood on Sugarloaf Mountain, one of Florida's highest points. The views are breathtaking. You can see Lake Apopka and even the Orlando skyline on a clear day. Some evenings you might catch Disney fireworks twinkling on the horizon. Webb Minneola offers that rare mix of peaceful, scenic living and easy access to all the new growth around it. Let's dive in. And all this information is on the house. Home collections for every lifestyle. One size does not fit all, and Webb gets that. There are 3 home series here, so you can find a home that fits your needs and budget. Here's a quick rundown. Scenic series, cozy and easy to manage. These are perfect if you're looking to downsize, but still want a beautiful new home. Models like the Contour are 2-bedroom gems, just over 1,400 square feet of smartly designed space. Scenic series homes start in the low 400s. Distinctive series, a bit more room and flexibility. Great for having friends and family over. You'll find 2- and 3-bedroom designs, some with a bonus loft or extra flex room. Prices generally begin in the $500,000. Echelon series, the largest and most luxurious options. These homes make a statement with features like 3-car garages and expansive living areas. For example, the renowned model offers a spacious 3-bedroom layout with high-end finishes. If you want to spoil yourself, this is it. Echelon homes start in the $600,000 and up. No matter which series you choose, each home feels bright, modern, and tailored to you. Webb lets you personalize your space. Pick your kitchen style, bathroom finishes, flooring, and more. Your home will truly reflect your taste. Inside the home's comfort and personal touches. Step inside any home here and you'll notice how open and full of light it is. The floor plans are open concept, meaning the kitchen, living, and dining areas flow together for easy living and entertaining. Big windows bring in natural light and views of the community's greenery. The kitchens are a cook's dream. Modern appliances, large islands, and plenty of cabinet space. You can chat with guests in the living room while finishing up dinner. The master suites are spacious and relaxing, with room for a king-size bed and perhaps a cozy sitting area. The attached master bath often has a walk-in shower with a built-in seat for comfort and a double vanity. And talk about closet space, there's a generous walk-in closet ready to be filled. Homes also include clever flex spaces, maybe a den, an office, or a hobby room. Resort-style amenities and social fun. Life at Webb Minneola is like living in a resort. At the heart of the community is a huge 17,000 square foot clubhouse packed with things to enjoy. It features a resort-style pool and spa, a modern fitness center with a dance yoga studio, and even an on-site restaurant and bar for dining with friends without leaving the neighborhood. There are tennis and pickleball courts, a craft studio and game room, and a community garden too. Evenings, neighbors gather around the fire pit under the stars. Thanks to a dedicated lifestyle director who organizes clubs and events, there's always something on the calendar to enjoy with friends. You can be as active and social as you want, or just relax quietly. It's up to you. The vibe is friendly and welcoming, making it easy to get to know your neighbors. Low maintenance living for peace of mind. One huge benefit of Webb Minneola is how low maintenance it is. The community is gated and secure with a guard at the entrance, so you feel safe and sound. And the HOA takes care of all the pesky chores. Lawn care, landscaping, and irrigation, it's all handled for you. Your grass stays green and neat without you ever having to mow. Better yet, high-speed internet and even cable TV are included in your HOA dues. That's right, you don't have to pay a separate internet or TV bill. It's provided as part of living here at 1 gigabit speed. You'll be streaming movies or video chatting with the grandkids with no extra hassle. Because everything from the yards to the clubhouse upkeep is managed, you can truly lock and leave. Take a long vacation or spend a summer up north. You won't have to worry about a thing back home. The neighborhood will still look great when you return, and your house will be just as you left it. This lets you focus on enjoying life instead of managing a to-do list. Wellness Way's big boom and location perks. Minneola's location is another big plus. It's only about a mile from the Florida Turnpike, so driving into Orlando or to the airport is quick. And when the new Wellness Way connector road opens, it will link our area straight to the 429, making travel even easier. The Wellness Way boom also means new conveniences. A Sprouts Farmers Market and Bonefish Grill will soon be just down the road for grocery runs and dinners out. A brand new hospital is underway nearby as well, giving you extra peace of mind about healthcare. You'll have modern shopping, dining, and medical care right at your fingertips, all while enjoying the peaceful hills of Minneola. If you're intrigued and want to see more of Del Webb Minneola, I'm here to help. Just text HOME to 321-439-4277, and I'll send you a free virtual tour or set up an in-person visit. You can walk through model homes from the comfort of your couch, or come experience the community in real life. Your choice. I'm always happy to answer questions and be your guide to this wonderful community. And as always, this information is on the house.